Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
Holy crap. So these are big pipe, PVC pipe. Have you ever tried doing it without them in, just to see?
We in the testing phase.
Okay,
right now.
got it. So what are these things called, and what do you do with, like?
With the ports plug, the tuning is like 28.
Okay.
With the up plug, it's 34. When I go like running lane.
So you play a lot lower right now.
I play, yeah.
Okay. And you're still having issues with that? Oh my goodness. It's all breaking. It's all breaking. Wow. It's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
And there's a 12 or 10-inch ports. Okay.
No, 5 8-inch.
8-inch. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. 3/8 and then 2 plugged. So what is your name and what's in here, man?
Marcus Conway, Birmingham, Alabama.
All right.
6 XB215s. 2 Wolf 9 cage. 150 amp hours LTO.
Yep.
2 Brand X 300 XLs.
Nice.
Down for sound with mids and highs.
Who built this box?
Me and my buddy.
Okay. How big, cubic wise, if you remember?
Matter of fact, give me 1 second. I
You're good. Okay. And your amps, are they at 1 ohm or what are they?
0.6 amp.
0.6. Okay, 0.7. Nice. What's this stuff on the roof?
Sundown Vibraflex.
That's some hard. Pretty hard for it. Yeah. You heat it up and
Yeah, had to.
without doing the wood roof.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess it's around a 20 to 22 cube box, or 18.
Well, it's 24.6.
24. Okay.
Yeah,
So that's the net side. Okay.
Yeah,
A little bit bigger. All right. That's good. So you got some lows.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right.
Oh my God, I can't believe I got
Yeah, man.
viral
We're doing it. Yes,
in
right.
this vehicle.
Yes, sir. Well, this is a 4-channel.
Yeah, no, that's that 13.2
AB.
AB,
yeah. That's a lot of power on that amp. Okay. That's all knowing your mids and highs?
Yes, sir.
This is,
Can you hear me, Nick?
yes, sir. There you go. Yes, sir. I'm about to open this up and look at these speakers.
Go ahead.
Wow. So these are a 12, a 10?
No, 2 12s.
Okay. Oh, 2 12s. Okay.
Yeah, 2 12s, 2 inch drivers, and 2 5 3 and a
All
quarter.
right. While you get it set up, I'm gonna look under the hood real quick. How y'all doing? Yeah, 615s in there on 2 Wolfram 9Ks. It's a really big box, and the box isn't moving. How are you keeping that thing down?
Oh, it's bolted to the floor.
There you go.
Yeah.
So if it bounces, the floor is bouncing.
The floor bounces, yes, sir.
Because I couldn't see much flex on the base.
Yeah.
So you built that thing solid.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. Man, awesome. How low do you play down to?
I try to stay about 22.
Okay.
22-ish.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We're expecting a girl in November.
Okay, that's what's up.
All right.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah, your boy DJ Monster on the mic. Yeah. Shots word, nigga. Rocky Mountain, nigga. Then bring it back. Get the work, then bring it back. Get the work, then bring it back. Get the work, then bring it back. Man, GoldenEye, nigga. T-Money, nigga. Hey.
Is there a way you can play one more?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I ain't getting no money. Run!
Man, usually that much conier you would expect something like crazy, but yours is like, I'm surprised you're not breaking your roof and stuff.
It did.
And just like everything is, it seems like you've already broke it to
Yeah.
where you try to put it back in place.
Yeah, right.
Because the things are not flexing like I'm used to for this much conier, because
Yeah.
you've already torn it out.
Yeah.
This is pretty good, man. I appreciate it.
That's no problem.
And you gave me the lows and the highs. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you for watching. Shout out, man. Great demo, man.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.